This video will demonstrate how to replace a D-BOX actuator. To perform this operation, you will need one Phillips No. 2 or one Robertson No. 2 screwdriver. This first step requires you to remove the center ACM cover by removing all 4 screws. Proceed by unscrewing and detaching both actuators from the ACM casing. Each actuator is identified by a letter related to a power and control connector. Continue by disconnecting both the power and control connectors from the ACM. Once that is done, the disassembly is now complete. Reverse the steps to install a new actuator. Start by taking the connectors from the new actuator and securing them to the ACM. Next, secure both actuators to the ACM casing. The arrow on screen indicates how the first screw for the left actuator is currently being attached. The final step requires you to install the center ACM cover by reversing the initial step and installing all 4 screws back. You are done replacing the actuator. You may now test the assembly.